Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix if keeps vibrating on Infinix GT30. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system. Reset phone. Reset all settings. Reset, enter phone pin. Click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so restart phone. Just click and hold on side power button. Click on restart. Again tap on this restart icon. Use the phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.